In this video, I will show you how you can apply ParseExact in UiPath. My name is Thomas and you're watching Tom's Tech Academy. On my screen you see that we have a date, which is in American format is the 2nd of January 2023 and in European format is the 1st of February 2023. The problem that I have here is that by default, UiPath will interpret this format as an American date, and I will also demonstrate that because if you take this format, so this is a string here, I will convert it to a date here, and then I will add 3 months, and then I'm providing the output as a European date. Let's run the script. And you see indeed that UiPath interpreted this date as an American date because here is the 2nd of April. So in that case, UiPath has interpreted as the 2nd of January and it has added 3 months, which makes the 2nd of April. So let's now imagine that you want UiPath to interpret this date as the 1st of February 2023. In that case, you have to use ParseExact. What you have to do in that case is, let's go to this variable. DateToday is a date variable. Let's open this one in the advanced editor. And the statement that you're going to need is this one. So you see, you use DateTime.ParseExact. Then you use the variable, so this can be a string, strDateToday. And then here you provide the format in which you want UiPath to interpret this date. Then the third argument of this function is this long piece of text. I will make sure to put this entire expression in the description of the video so you can just copy paste it. And you see that at the end I'm adding add_months3. Click on OK. If I run the script now, you will see that it's the 1st of May. So in this case, UiPath has interpreted this variable as the 1st of February and it has added 3 months. Now there is a very common mistake which is very easy to make. Let's open this one in the advanced editor. Because sometimes I see this, dd, and then UiPath is expecting 01, 02. You see at this moment here it shows only 1 and 2. And if I run the script now, you see that I get an error, and the error is 1/2/2023 was not recognized as a valid date time. And you only get this error if you provide a date without 01, 02, and you put here dd, So in case your date format looks like this, just make sure that you put your date like this. And of course, for the year, it's the same. If you only have a year with 2 digits, then you have to remove 2 digits here. So you only have to put like this, and then your script will work. But there is a website from Microsoft that provides all the information about everything you can put in the string. So for example, here you see that you have to use dd if you want to zero fill your script, and you have to use d if you only have 1 digit. And in case you also have AM or PM in your date, you can, for example, add the TT, and that will interpret whether it's AM or PM. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.